video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a apartment MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. You just have to click over here. After that, you will redirect to the Mega's website. You just have to click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, here we will get two variations of the Plaza. First one is of Legion Square, second one is the Vespucci Beach. So for this video, I'll be installing it for Legion Square. Just copy this folder from here, then install the MLO into your FiveM resources. So I'll be installing it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the Plaza which we have installed into our FiveM server, right in the middle of Legion Square. And this is the location in the map over here. So this is the swimming pool of this Plaza over here, as you can see. So this is the first building over here. You can configure apartment script with this building. And this is the second building over here. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.